Please visit www.sensebusiness.co.uk for more useful tips. Organising staff. When hiring large numbers of staff, organisation is important. Everyone within the company needs to understand their role in the business structure. Structuring a business. As a business grows in size and takes on more staff, managers need to make sure employees understand their role within the company. Organisation is the way a business is structured. One method of organisation is to set up departments covering the four main areas of business activity: finance, human resources, marketing, operations. Organisation charts are diagrams that show the internal structure of the business. They make it easy to identify the specific roles and responsibilities of staff. They also show how different roles relate to one another and the structure of departments within the whole company. Organizational terms. There are a number of technical terms you need to learn. Hierarchy refers to the management levels within an organization. Line managers are responsible for overseeing the work of other staff. Subordinates report to other staff higher up in the hierarchy. Subordinates are accountable to their line managers for their actions. Authority refers to the power managers have to direct subordinates and make decisions. Delegation is when managers entrust tasks or decisions to subordinates. Empowerment sees managers passing authority to make decisions down to subordinates. Empowerment can be motivational. The span of control measures the number of subordinates reporting directly to a manager. The chain of command is the path of authority along which instructions are passed, from the CEO downwards. Lines of communications are the routes messages travel along. Types of organizations. Tall organizations have many levels of hierarchy. The span of control is narrow, and there are opportunities for promotion. Lines of communications are long, making the firm unresponsive to change. Flat organizations have few levels of hierarchy. Lines of communications are short, making the firm responsive to change. A wide span of control means that tasks must be delegated and managers can feel overstretched. In centralized organizations, the majority of decisions are taken by senior managers and then passed down the organizational hierarchy. Decentralized organizations delegate authority down the chain of command, thus reducing the speed of decision making. We have prepared 10 questions for you to practice. Visit the link below to test yourself. Please visit www.sensebusiness.co.uk for more useful tips.